Hello everyone, I am Naveen Babu, sports physiotherapist at Physioment Sports Rehab Clinic. Yesterday I kept an opinion poll on whether people are interested in knowing the problem, causative factors, or else just simply to get to know the solution for the pain. So, as we expected, 60% of the people are shown interest towards the solution of the problem than knowing the cause of the pain. As per your choice, today I am going to make a video on relieving the chronic neck pains by gentle movement, which can affect the nerve and the muscle to interact, coordinate, and also thus relieving the pressure on the disc by the skeletal spine system. So, first one technique will be to relieve the compression over the disc by the upper spine, and the rest of the three techniques will be to relieve the compression of the nerve between the muscles passing throughout the course. So, first technique is called as seated cervical traction technique. So, for this, you don't need to buy any equipment or depend on anyone to do some traction. So, you just need a simple towel. Okay, the position should be the position of the person who is doing this exercise should be upright position is very important. Okay, and second thing, you just hold the end of the towel and place it below the back of your head wherever it is painful. Just keep 2 centimeters above the painful area. For your convenience, I am turning on the side and gently pull the towel forward and upward at 45 degrees angle. See, my position is forward and upward until you feel relief from the pain by applying pressure. Hold it for 5 seconds, relax and repeat. Hold, relax technique. And the most important thing while doing this technique is your position is important. Your chest should not move forward with the towel. Your neck should be relaxed and the shoulder should not shrug while doing the technique. This may relieve for those people who have having chronic neck pain at the back and also between the shoulder blades and also radiating towards the tip of the shoulder. And the second technique which I am going to tell is for the people who been suffering with the pain on the ventral aspect, which is supplying to the 3.5 fingers. These 3 fingers which been affected by continuous typing on laptop, or else those people who play for a long time in PlayStation through PlayStation joystick. Okay, so that nerve technique is called as median nerve, because this nerve comes from the spine, passes through the arm and the ventral aspect of the forearm and also to the ventral aspect of the palm. So for that it's difficult to demonstrate in a sitting position, so I will also stand for your sake. So the position here also, the main thing whichever you do for the exercises, you need to stand in a upright position, standing in a upright position, and you need to bend your elbow, rotate your wrist facing your palm towards your face. So now at this point you should flex your neck on the unaffected side until your ear touches the shoulder tip. Then you can feel the stretch here. Now the technique will be like, see, this is the affected one. You slowly extend it and slowly move back until you feel the stretch at the elbow and extend your wrist. Wrist should be extended point you and also your neck, you should see your hand. Now you can feel the dragging pain, that is the stretch throughout the nerve course, and also comes to normal gentle position, neutral position. So this is for the people who've been suffering with the chronic neck pain radiating towards the 3.5 fingers. And the second technique, it means for the stretching mode. The third technique will be for the people who've been suffering for the loss of sensation on the ventral aspect towards these two fingers, the ring and the little finger. So the position is important. It should be upright in standing position, and you need, this is the affected limb, for example. So you need to hold your shoulder level, abduction 90 degrees, elbow should be flexed perpendicularly, and the wrist should rotate outside, face your palm towards facing earth. Now slowly make your hand to extend, elbow should extend, and again bring it to the neutral position. So slowly you do it, hold, relax, and then repeat. Slowly you feel the stretch throughout the nerve course, and we need to gently stretch the nerve for effective results, so that this flossing technique, which can oxygenate the nerve and makes it gliding movement, which can relieve the pain. And the third technique is called as simply the radial nerve, which is very common, because this will be specially seen for the people who doing the weight resistance training, because they have a good biceps, triceps, shoulder, barbell exercises. Those people mostly they get pain on the arm. They always complain that they have the neck pain radiating up to the side of the arm. So for that also you need to stand upright position. Those people who've been suffering with the neck pain, towards the arm and to the dorsal aspect, they feel sensory disturbances on the dorsal aspect of the arm, hand and the forearm. Okay, so you should be in the upright standing position. Same way you need to stand facing it, and you need to bend opposite shoulder tip. Then slowly when you are moving back, extend your elbow, and then extend your wrist, and keep a Dhyan Mudra like this, and make it back. Okay, and now you should see your back of your finger. Now you turn head towards the affected side and see your mudra, and bring it to the normal mode again. Okay, so repeat it, hold it for a while, relax, and then repeat it 5 to 10 repetitions, 3 sets every day morning, whenever you get up from the bed, or whenever you feel the strain in the neck. Then you can do these techniques to get relief from the neck pain. I hope it may help someone who is in pain. So on your request, I made 4 exercises. It's simple. The people who've been suffering with the chronic neck pain, just follow this for 3 to 5 days. You will see a dramatic change. You definitely see it, and hope you feel good. Somehow I'm trying to help some people who can't move from their home in this lockdown. Stay home, stay safe.